Every turn, me turn, me cry.
Alright, so I come out there right now and I gonna try drop off some donation. We normally do this once kids grow out of them clothes, especially Jamir. You see me? Yeah man, I always try to donate, you know, when I like dash away. And to be honest, I like to send them thing I got Jamaica, you know. But the thing about it is they in charge of arm and a leg man for send it come my yard, so that's why we don't really do it, you see me? Because the money and even new stuff sometimes I want to send it. I know they start charge you for overweight luggage and them thing there. You see what I say? So yeah. We have some shoes and couple things in my bag or so. Give it, you know? I just come to Canada, you know. And them things I used to buy. See it there? Good sitting them where I put in there. No rub down or nothing, you see me? Yeah man. So look wait after this when I have to go donate nothing. Because right look after this when I have to go donate because Jamir them Ajari and Jazzy them can share them clothes, you see me? And we'll just do that. Yeah. See some other people come left some other things right this. Let's see if nothing else in our back there. That is it. Yeah. I think nothing else left. But yeah. I that me I got head in and now and get some work done. You see me? So stay tuned.
Alright, so right now we're doing some family painting time. Jameer decided on Thanksgiving.
You decided that.
Well, yeah, I said let's do it, but you ultimately did everything, and you said yes, let's do it. So we decided on Thanksgiving to do 3 art things,
But unfortunately, you couldn't do it on
but
Thanksgiving.
it was so hectic and everything was late. So everything, we're just running late.
Stop bite your fingernail. I just shot them. Damn.
I don't suck them, I only bite them, but...
So we decided on Thanksgiving to do some arts and craft.
Mm-hmm.
However, we got so busy and time was running out, we didn't end up doing it. Yes, so we didn't end up doing it. So the other day, you and Jameer did one of the colorings. So today we're going to do the second one. Drawing. Yes, which I don't have with me right now. And now we're going to do some painting of a turkey. I put it away.
I have it too.
Where's yours?
Yeah, I got it right here.
Okay, show me what you guys made the other day.
What's that? Familiar feel?
Mine.
Turkey. What is turkey? Ooh.
I just a normal turkey. Now I'm... Okay.
Alright, let's start painting.
I don't even know.
So there's a certain type of paint you have to use?
No, any shade you want.
Oh
yeah, they said like you have to use like this type of tape and one. They said acrylic paint or whatever, but yeah.
What do you call it?
Acrylic.
It still sounds similar, but yeah.
It's an acrylic.
Acrylic. I would wet your paintbrush. Give it like a wet paint look. Okay, Jam?
Got it.
So wet it. Wet your paintbrush. Do you wet your paintbrush?
Let me do it.
No. Put it on. Put it all on. Just put it everywhere, and then you now get the wet paint. So wet it, dip it, and then spread it. Who is
Why am I have curly hair?
Don't do that.
What? Girl, oh, just jar yourself there today.
Why did the first thing that popped into your head, Jameer?
Huh?
Why is that the first thing that popped into your head?
Because they have curly hair, I think.
Who is the weird woman who decided to open the door for a strange lady and take an apple and eat it?
Beauty queen, whatever her name is. Oh, what is her name? Her name's
Hey boy, come on,
Beauty
time.
with the apple.
Go.
The Smurf Snow White.
Yes.
The dude with the apple. Whatever her name is.
Snow White. Yeah. All right, moment of truth. Why are you looking like that? Did we force you to do this? Don't look at mine. Mine's is the best out of all you guys.
Yoji,
That's
just
fine.
say make noise
Come
and
on,
he's
Butcher chop him in the head before.
No, just say
Ajari woke him up.
Yep, just his head up and he's making noise.
Go tell your grandma. All right. So this is Jameer's. His name is Jobo. Help him, Jam. Cause I can't get up because your
What is
dad's
this?
orange. To shake it up really good, or maybe it's gone bad. So we have Jobo. I'm joking, this is mine. This is Jobo. This is Adrian's. Kind of creepy, but it is what it is. And then we have Jameer's. Can you pick up Jameer's and show it? Don't pick him up, Jam. I'll make your mom hurt. Hey. Jam went to get his brother because I'm trapped in this corner over here. Hi. Take your time. Take your time to walking with him. Hi. Hi.
The next day.
Alright, so I got a surprise for Jam.
Oh, why?
Get off the bed. Get off the bed. Ready?
10 and I'll open my
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Hold it in your hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yo, you told me you weren't gonna get shark bite and you did. Let's go! You said it was too expensive and you weren't gonna get it. I felt like you're tricking me, but then I realized, like, maybe not.
Look, you have Vaseline on the bed.
I do?
Yeah, you got Vaseline on the bed.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. It's oil. You and your dad can do it for boys' night, right?
Yeah.
All right, have fun.
Meanwhile,
To the next activity.
See it there, no? Jameer there with the shark game. I'm
This for
telling
your
you.
video?
Just
Yeah, we're playing Shark Bite.
Mommy there watch YouTube, you know.
Yeah, we're playing Shark Bite.
And you would find out scheme. Big up yourself, you know, Junior. Yeah, man, you're your wife, you know, bad
His
for the
name's
singing.
Junior?
Yeah, man.
That's kind of, I don't know.
What them names? Sidi and Bramo. Big up on yourself on the vlog, you know. You see it? Yeah, man. My boss come up yesterday on YouTube, I mean, I tell you. And the thing of a buzz, you know. Singing and pine. Yeah, man. Then thing are going on the road. So, mommy, they are enjoying a whole Christian vibe. Yeah, man.
Big up, man, big up.
Yeah,
So
man.
me love for the youth,
Shark Bite.
Move out of that way.
Big up,
It's
big
not
up,
talk
big
to
up,
mommy.
big up. Go and big up on yourself and go and take care of yourself, man. They are enjoying music, man. It sound good. You have a nice wife. Go and take care of yourself. And the prank part, he say yes. He say, when me I look on the prank and me see you, he say yes. He say, I want a nice young man, you know? You never act no way like, I want to violate our certain way. So I respect that. Pick up yourself, keep up the good work.
Yeah, man, man.
It's your turn.
So big up City and Bramo channel. Buckle up yesterday. I mean, I say, Jonah this finance scheme. Do you think it's a good look outside? I'm going to go and give them a check out, man. And you would find a scheme of grow up in there, you know? Good drummist. Play the piano like a legend, you see that? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, go over there, Cidi and Bramo, CIDI and BRAMO. Tell them it's a Marston family, so you know the vibe already. outside.
The next day.
I check my barber, because I'm telling you, I'm not cut back my hair in terms of balling, because I know I'm going to lose my hair follicles, and then the line kind of drift back, so I have to try to catch it in the morning. I line up my beard the other day, but yeah, needless to say, I'm going to check my barber. Don't know, big up everybody for leaving condolences for Spooky and the entire family. You know what I say? Like, so there be a gospel in the house, which is a regular Sunday program for Mommy and Alyssa still, you know. But yeah, we just there, we just hold the faith and we just go and stay strong feature and do the right thing, you know what I say? Yeah man, she was very sick and thing, and as I was saying, we just happy so she not feel all of them pain again, but sad for no say she's no longer with us. I mean, I Jerry there. She's no longer with us, and at the part there, yesterday I share some picture with Mommy. When we did go down there last year summer, and she did come by the house and visit and thing, and everybody just gets saddened by them, you know. So I say, this is somebody that I grew up with from my 13, my brothers, and I in a relationship, so it's like, I know her for about more than half of my life, you know what I say? But yeah, my dad showed a joy, but he abandoned me. In there I got through him little book with him different animals. You know a few of them. Yeah. I get some breakfast now and head out to a barber shop, link up my barber. Probably me cut jam in here, I'm not sure. But I need to get some work in nonetheless, so we'll catch up. Alright.
Board prepare. So they keep moving. Should I put it up here instead?
Yeah, something like
Oh my gosh.
It shows that in the book of Acts, they were speaking about a man that has no big character.
Some of them there for the Sunday. You are laundry day. Them are watching them gospel. Oh yeah, you can. Come here, there.
I'll get you some for your song.
Yeah, nice. Okay, come here. You can watch it. Ajar. Ajar, they are doing. Yeah, do you see them? You look up play here at the cinema, but you shop to mash up. You see him kitchen and everything. Mommy, there, where I cook Miss Bailey. Morning.
Good morning, sir.
I'm feeling this morning.
Didn't break down this morning, but I'm going to try to cook.
Okay, break down there, morning. That's just
I'm trying to cook. So, when you lose someone, you know, where you're close to, she was a daughter to me. She was a daughter. She was like my daughter, friend. Very good person, personality. If you even want to mix with her, you can't mix with her because the type of person who she be. It came from a footman. Bad. Only when the children and father did no me feel like this. Not even my own father, I never feel it so.
when your father passed, eh? She's so close, close to home.
Yeah, man.
Grew up with for over how much years now? 19 years now, you know, right?
She was a friend. She was a friend. She just nice. Nice. She not hard to live with. No. She not a hard person to live with. So when you find somebody where you're not hard to live with, it's amazing because people nowadays hard to live with. Hard to live with. And she wasn't like that. And like, you know, sometimes you see somebody that come out, yeah, or they come out, yeah, wish they be here to go on her, but she, you know, never tell her. Peaceful, you know, like with Mali, she always encourage you about God. She always, you understand, she was that type of person. She always has the word of encouragement. Always. So, miss her to the core. When they say me miss her, I don't mean from my lip, you know. I mean from the heart, bottom of my heart. Every turn, me cry. So you just imagine me about you.
You look stressed out for real.
Every turn,
turn me cry.
What you say, man? Where
I
you go?
got strength.
Where you go, young man?
Because when I was coming over here, you know, she was in the hospital and I have to leave. And I go to the hospital, the Tuesday, I go look for her and I go to our son graduation. That's my grandson graduation. The Wednesday and the Thursday, I'm here. And when I come back, my clothes wet up outside and I get up the Wednesday morning before graduation. And because when we go to the hospital, we didn't catch me a road, so I couldn't, the clothes and wet up. If you come home, but me never feel no way because I say at least me get the chance to go look for her before me leave. Yes. So when we reach now, I call her and so she say, you can't leave me. And I said, no man, you know, say me I go get in touch with you and whatever. Me come here and I go come look for you. Me not, you know, say me not leave you because she could never alter the family because I always tell her, say, once you have my grandson, when you're not in the you always are going to the family. You can't come out of the family because you have a grandson. You have your son and my grandchild, so you would never exist out of the family, no matter what. I always tell her that. So she tell everybody say me her mother. But that's the way me stay. Me just treat people good. Me treat people the way how me would want people to treat me. And me know how when I get bad treatment, how we go so me always treat her good. If my belly full, for her belly full. If me hungry, she hungry because me not gonna know say me and belly full because she did sick so she couldn't work. So I make sure I say she alright all the time. It's not they always say don't scatter roses when you're gone. I believe in that. Me have to tell me happy to me look and make sure say she alright before
While she be alive, eh?
Yes, you know, wait till she dead before me do nothing. So me can't talk because I know like she dead and me never did I do nothing for her. Me never did it for her. She will say she a go to hospital. Me say ready, take the taxi. Make somebody walk you up her road, take the taxi. Tell him to drive around hospital, we'll drop you at the hospital and me I send out Sanjay at school at his son. And when we finish, me ready and come to you because I know your one can go walk you go uptown. That is the way how me stay. Yes, so make we live this way and here. Each and every one before it's too late. If we did know. No, don't wait until a person die before you help. A helping hand when you can. So me give out of nothing. We are the last dollar or the last piece of food in the fridge and somebody hungry and I take it out and give it to them. And God provide. That's why me I do all of this. Me I do this for brag. I do this for boss.
Ring it out. Ring like squeeze out it more.
I don't do this for brag and I don't do this for boss. That's the type of person I am. Okay. That's how we come down. From me, a little girl. Never like to see my grandparents them hungry. Because when growing up, with my grandparents, it was very hard. And I always go and come and dig sweet potato. Grow sweet potato. Who is a Jamaican know what is the grow sweet potato. When the rich man take up the Irish potato, I go up on the farm, go take up the seed them, we cut bush color and cook, make my grandmother, my cousin them and my auntie them, everybody get food. That's how we stay. So we can't come out and me just born like that. So that's my way of living. Me don't know about nobody else, but me always a help. Me no wait till when you need before me help. Once you know say you can't provide certain things for yourself, me are going to give you. That's what we see. And if somebody, something happen, I feel you, I may know you, I want me to know you, me happy for you. I'm not just happy for my children in my alone. I always happy for people, children and other people. If you build a house, me happy, me come like a me. That's how me stay. So make we just live that way there and then we have a better world, and a better Jamaica and a better the whole world would have a better world. That is my few word. Big up on myself. Subscribe, share, give a like and comment. Other people can hear my story and change their mindset to others. Have a blessed day.
Nice. See it there. No, it's season up our curry chicken, you know. Pretty like a wow. You don't like skin for chicken, don't you?
Not on, only when me fry.
Jaja,
Only
pretty
for
like
fried
so.
chicken.
And I go got barber shop right now, yeah, man.
The breakfast is the salad, I'm going to tea in this as well.